Ladies and gentlemen, introducing contestant number 3. Put your hands together and welcome to the stage for her talent, Miss Palau. Oya, Belau.
Emang malasoya, aleru alele maki, ya tayo ale, ungi le daolia. Emang alole, tokmo albor ason, malosay iya ason, Palau This traditional chant, known as Belau, translates that we are all passengers in a shared canoe. In this portrait you see is the beginning of a story. As we sit on this canoe together, it is our story, beginning with self-reflection, who we are, and as we go, it will turn into a journey as we paddle forward. We have goals of where we want to see ourselves, and we will trust that we are steered in the right path. As we all work together to get there, whether we make it or not is up to us. As islanders, we recognize the collective responsibility to paddle our way and to paddle in rhythm. It symbolizes that together we can navigate the changing tides. It serves as an ode to unity and teamwork. From the earliest memories I can recall, I have always had a penchant for the arts. Being raised by an artist's mother, I was a keen observer of her creative expression. My grandfather, a skilled carpenter, kept a multitude of blueprints scattered throughout my home. I would often find myself captivated by these intricate designs. Today, I aspire to be an architect, and as an architect, we see that beauty is a kaleidoscope of perspectives. I have a goal to see my own perspectives envisioned into reality, and strive to add on to the beauty I have come to know as an islander. Beauty is the knowledge of the phases of the moon that dictate our way of life. Beauty is the knowledge that during a particular lunar cycle, it's most ideal to cut trees that we use to make our canoe and our traditional houses. Beauty is the knowledge of respecting our nature, to take only what we need. Beauty is the knowledge of using nature, be the stars, the moon, the current, and the wind, to navigate where we are to where we want to be. Beauty is the knowledge of using our taro patch as a natural water filtration system for streams, mangroves, and our marine environment. Beauty is our indigenous knowledge. Beauty is our people. Beauty beyond the reef.
Prosperity, roll, let it flow, 'cause it's our time. Sanctuary.